Welcome back to Data Cloud Now. I'm back on the show floor here at Snowflake Summit, where I'm delighted to be joined by Rick Tamm-Daniels, GVP Technology Alliances at Informatica. Rick, great to be back with Informatica here at Snowflake Summit.
Oh, great to be here. Thanks for having me.
What's top of mind for your clients?
Well, let's talk a little bit about what's top of mind here at Snowflake Summit, and where a lot of those customers are here, and we're having a lot of great conversations with them. I think first and foremost, customers are focused on how do they get to the cloud, right? How do they get their data to the Snowflake Data Cloud? And then they're also focused on, once the data's there, how do they scale consumption and use of that data? You know, conversations around data quality, data governance, as well as data integration. And finally, the big topic that we'd be remiss if we didn't mention, generative AI.
Right, it's all happening here. The ecosystem is all around us. And to your point, primary topic for data practitioners and executives still remains AI. How is the team at Informatica bringing your clients' data in AI to life?
Well, so we look at AI as kind of two different approaches to it. One is the use of generative AI inside our technology. So the Informatica Intelligent Data Management Cloud is a cloud-native, end-to-end data management platform, and we've already had AI techniques embedded in our CLAIRE engine, as we call it, but we've now extended CLAIRE with CLAIRE Copilots and CLAIRE GPT. So the whole idea is, how do we take the simplification of generative AI, the ability for generative AI to interact with any user through natural language, and use that to accelerate the process of getting data and scaling consumption of data on Snowflake. The other side of it is we're focused on how do customers build their own data-driven, enterprise-grade generative AI applications together with Snowflake Cortex and Informatica. And so the whole idea there is bringing in key contextual data, your high-quality, trusted data assets to ground the conversation in the reality of your business, right? To bring in metadata awareness about, what does this data actually mean to me? Is my customer a company or is it a person, right? That kind of conversational context only comes from governance, from cataloging those capabilities. So we actually released a blueprint a couple weeks ago with Snowflake, showcasing to customers how they can bring together the power of Cortex with IDMC to rapidly deploy enterprise-grade Gen AI apps at scale.
Informatica clearly showing up big again here at Snowflake Summit. What are your primary objectives and goal here this week in San Francisco?
Well, I think a lot of it is talking with customers. That's what it comes down to. That's why we're here. And it's customers, it's prospects, it's folks who know Informatica really well, been with us for a long time, and folks who maybe haven't seen what we're up to, and talking with them how we're accelerating access to data with our native application, the Enterprise Data Integrator that just went GA today. Also our Super Pipe technology, the 3.5 times faster loading of data. They also want to understand about data governance and data quality, and how do you make those data assets, how do you ensure they're trusted? Or support for Iceberg, that's a big topic as well going on here. So we really want to connect with customers and showcase all the amazing innovations that we've been doing together with Snowflake, and really understand though also what their business challenges are, what's top of mind for them, and make sure they come away from this event with a clear understanding how we work together to solve their data challenges.
It's great to hear, Rick. It's clearly all happening here at Snowflake Summit. Before we go, what's next for Informatica, and how can the audience learn more?
Well, we just went GA with our CLAIRE GPT and CLAIRE Copilot technologies, so we're going to continue to add capabilities there, continue to simplify the business of data management, which at the end of the day is going to accelerate the ability for customers to tap into their critical data assets, bring them to the Snowflake Data Cloud, ensure they're trusted, and drive real transformative value going forward.
Looking forward to seeing it happen. Rick, such a pleasure having you on Data Cloud Now. Thank you again.
Thanks for being here.
And for the audience watching, I'm Ryan Green. I'll see you soon.